Hey guys, here is my cheap $100 Walmart bike. This is what I'm going to be using for an e-bike. I'm going to just show you the kit real quick. 7-gear sprocket. 48-volt controller. Twist throttle. Brake lever cutoffs, 2 of them. Pedal assist mechanism. Hand grip for the other side if I want to match. And oh yeah, this is pretty nice. This is the more expensive one. I got the nicer LCD screen. That's pretty badass right there. Little focus on that for you. Come on, focus. I don't know. Teddy. Gertie, Teddy, Gertie, Teddy. And then they give you some, this just goes over the wire to clean it up a bit. And then this is the cheap tire they give you. I should clip this, oh my gosh, that zip tie is so tight. I got a little kid scissors right here. Might as well clip this so it can kind of start to get back to normal shape. Look at it. There's my tire. Oh, doesn't it look wonderful? And here's the little bag that's going to go whatever down here, wherever, however it goes, that the controller is going to be hidden in. And last but not least, oh wow, here is a 1,000-watt motor. It's got some heavy-duty spokes on it. Holy moly. It's heavy too. 1,000-watt motor. It's heavy, boys. It's heavy. It's going to go on the back like so. It's the same size as the one I got on there. Yeah, I'm pretty excited, but I'm not in a big hurry to get it going because I've got to get my batteries all charged up and tested. Then I've got to make a battery pack anyways, and that's looking like it's going to be the slowest process of them all. So, but maybe I'll do a short video of me putting it together, because I can put it together, you know, might as well do something. And that'll probably be the next video. Oh, it also comes with an inner tube. And then I noticed if you do get this kit, there's nothing covering these sharp edges in here. So you might want to get some tape in there, electrical tape or something. Yeah. Or maybe there's a special bike tape. I don't know, I gotta go find out. I'm gonna go to Walmart and hit up the bike section and see if I can find something for that. Oh, yes, you like to play in rappers, don't you? Look at these guys. Whee! Whee! It's a bag of ferrets! It's a bag of ferrets! Enough of that bag noise, guys. I'm trying to do a video! The girls have their school books and stuff, so maybe I'll show you that later. Alright, bye guys.